Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Play. Hi guys, I'm LaDonya, and today we'll be making Alfredo two ways, one with chicken and one with shrimp. And here are our ingredients. Okay, let's start on our shrimp. First, in my skillet, I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I will add in my shrimp. When it comes to these shrimp, all I'm really doing is really warming them up. Other than that, that's all we're doing. They're already cooked. So this process will be pretty fast. Now we're going to start on our chicken. You can use any seasonings that you want. Me, I'm using a season that I mixed up myself. It's pretty good, but you can use just the basic seasonings. We're going to season both sides of our chicken tenders. In the same skillet that we sauteed our shrimp in, we're going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to also cook our chicken tenders in the same skillet. But if someone is allergic to seafood, do not do this. Always be careful of how you cook things, because if anyone is allergic to seafood, it will swell them up. So only if they're not allergic to seafood, you can do this. Other than that, make sure you wash out your skillet, or you can do it vice versa. Cook your chicken first and then your shrimp. Allow your tenders to cook 3 minutes on each side. Okay guys, now that our chicken tenders are ready, we're going to remove them from our skillet, and then we're going to get started on our sauce. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to add 1/4 cup of room temperature butter to our pan. Now allow your butter to melt, but be careful because it's very easy for your butter to burn. Now that your butter has melted, add in a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. Allow your garlic to cook for a few seconds. Next, you're going to add in 1/4 cup of room temperature cream cheese. After that, add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I know it seemed like I added in 2, but I put 2 half cups in there. And then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of room temperature milk. Next, we added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and salt to taste. Now we're going to take a whisk and whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Now we're adding in 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley, and finally 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, now we're going to whisk all our ingredients together until it's nice and smooth. We're cooking this on a low heat. It's no need to rush our sauce because we do not want our sauce to burn. Okay, y'all, this is our sauce after about 5 minutes. And do you see how nice and creamy it has gotten? Now I'm gonna taste it. Oh, guys, that tastes so good. So now we're ready to plate. Okay, guys, I had pre-cooked my pasta and I just followed the instructions that were on the package. Now I'm going to add the Alfredo sauce. Oh, guys, look how creamy that is. I'm going to add it on our chicken. Some parsley. And some shredded Parmesan cheese. Doesn't that look delicious, y'all? Yes. Now we're gonna plate our shrimp. We're gonna add our sauce. Do y'all see how creamy that sauce goes on? We're gonna add on our shrimp. And guys, you can also use the raw shrimp. You don't have to use the pre-cooked shrimp. I only use them because those are the ones I like and the ones I prefer. Now we're going to add on our parsley. And our shredded Parmesan cheese. Well, that's it for this video. I really enjoyed cooking for you guys today. So if you don't mind, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And like Miss Brenda Dee always says, have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. I did not forget about my healthy eaters. Here I did a zucchini noodle with sauteed mushrooms and Brussels sprouts. And I just added the Alfredo sauce and the shrimp and the chicken on top of these as well. 2 different ones. So even the healthy ones can enjoy this meal as well.